Hello everybody, Gbenga Olatunji here. What to include in the competition section of our business plan is what we are going to be looking at today. We've been on business plan series for a while now, and of course one of the benefits of having a business plan, especially putting things down on competition section, is it helps and motivates us. It motivates us to succeed, to be effective, and to be efficient in the marketplace. So what are the items that we should try as much as possible include in our business plan concerning the competition? We need to know and identify our competitors. Who are our competitors? Is it possible for us to be able to mention them by name? Is it possible for us to be able to locate them and give them location where they are operating from? Is it possible for us to know how long they've been in business? Is it possible for us to be able to itemize their strengths and weaknesses in their businesses, and probably the revenue that they have, the revenue that they've been making while they are in business? Is it possible for us to be able to itemize all this?